Welcome to Salvaged Motorsports. And welcome back to the channel. Well, what do we have here? Sophisticated, elegant, sleek. Just a few words to describe this gem of a car. And did I mention turbocharged? Twin turbocharged! Today, once the sun goes down here shortly, we're going to start pulling the motor and transmission out of this 1992 Dodge Stealth RT Twin Turbo. So get ready and hold on to your hats, because we're off to the races. Sun's down, and it's go time. So this car is smoking a ton. It probably needs the valve stem seals and turbocharger replaced. Instead of troubleshooting C, we're just going to replace both, because it's about that time anyways. Before we get started, here's a small list of things that we're going to do. All the 60K maintenance: timing belt, tensioner, pulleys, water pump, spark plugs and wires, valve cover gaskets, most gaskets, all fluids, reseal the oil pan, clutch cylinders, brake cylinder, new 9B turbos, oil pan reseal, main seal replaced, and valve stem seals. So without further ado, let's go!
Nothing aftermarket on it. Air filter looks good too. Look at that. Car's engine.
Somebody didn't install this gasket right.
Pain in the butt.
Just never been taken off in years.
Nice. I didn't realize how fast you take these things apart.
I'm not even taking it apart that fast.
Actually not a bad idea. Dude, you need a Binford tool sticker somewhere in here. I'm gonna get you one. You can put it on. You guys can put it on your box, toolboxes.
Yeah, because you're keeping everything in this, right?
Pardon?
You're keeping everything in this, right?
All of the annoying little vacuum lines back here.
Mm-hmm.
If anybody's wondering what the extra noise in the background is, it's Rodney over here making a box. for shipping. Say hi, Ryan.
No.
Okay. Are you gonna give me a hard time?
This woodworking, is a woodworking thing?
Yeah, it's a thing.
Replace that.
No, take good care of that. Take it. Hey.
It's a vacuum line.
Take good care of that.
It's
Okay.
a vacuum line that needs to be replaced.
All right. Make it look nice, please. Ooh. Wow.
Brand new.
Brand new one. So someone went through and did a little maintenance on it.
Come on.
What are you trying to get?
I'll drop my wrench. Oh.
Need a magnet? No. I love magnets, dude.
I can tell. I can tell. You're like, you need a magnet? You need a magnet? You need a magnet?
Pile of parts.
Oh, parts indeed.
You had some snap-on ones that probably work better.
These are the original vice grips.
OG.
Literally.
I'm trying to remove.
Stupid clamp that's not wanting to come off.
Auto response.
They don't.
Fuel line?
Yep.
Oh, fuel squirt out of it?
I don't know. Probably not. Probably just drain out of it, not spray.
Thing?
So every time I see someone with our background photo or like our photo, just record them.
5 minutes to do it. But if it takes longer than that, don't waste your time, I think.
Hey, how about you don't waste your time and come over here and hold this board?
Alright. Man.
Like, you know, like twin turbos
Man.
and just SLs have bigger, the harness is
Harness.
bigger. That's just
Yeah.
a really small harness.
Time to change the freaking fluids. Hopefully they are nice. Fluid dump. What is it?
Yeah, fuel. Years old.
I was not expecting that.
Well, I was, and then at last second I thought about it, and I'm like, oh, this is all going to drop on me. It's going to be kind of heavy from where I'm holding it. So I moved. Old
2009.
tires. They look nice. What are they?
Toledo's. They're Cushman's.
So time for new ones soon. Key case.
Stuck.
Really?
Doesn't come off. What? Hey, spray down underneath there, maybe.
It's got some powder at the bottom.
Power steering pump off because I don't feel like fighting it. To the hood.
Hey, hold on. So this is the
I thought I
missing.
punctured the f***ing insulator. I'm like, oh my.
This is the missing snap-on magnetic pad. They were changing the insulating hood heat shield or whatever, and it, whatever. And it
You
was
can see it.
it was stuck up here, and it
It
formed to the.
You're gonna have to leave it outside on a hot day with something on top
Look.
of it.
Yeah.
It literally
Nobody-
sat like
nobody-
that the whole time.
Nobody's seen it because it just looked like part of the car. That's
I
so
can't
funny.
believe the hood closed with it on there the right
Normal,
way.
It was
especially
just-
right next to the ECS cap.
Yeah.
It was hidden.
Must have
What do you
crammed
think?
it in there.
Good job. This looks nice.
Yeah.
Now you have your snap-on
I
thing
got
back.
two of them.
Ah, there's my $60.
Yeah, there it is. It's a little misshapen, but
They go back pretty easily.
That's
You
awesome.
just stick it to your box and they'll actually go back to form.
Stick it in the microwave.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
that's a great idea.
I'll stick it there because then I'll take the ladder off and get it up
I
there.
bet
Yeah.
I could get it.
No, you couldn't.
Yeah, I could. See, look.
All right, one try.
Well, everybody gets a try.
I hope you don't get it because I really want to get the ladder out. You gotta get in between the beams though. You can't stick it to the bottom of it.
Oh. Easier?
Winner, winner. Do it.
All right,
You gotta do a.
You know what you win? You ain't going to get the ladder to get up there
No.
to get my thing back off.
Austin.
Chris, go for it.
Oh my gosh.
I don't even think Chris. I don't even know if Chris can manage to get the ladder out.
No, I don't need it. It's fine.
Every line has been very difficult.
Oh, I know. It's like the first time it's been taken apart, huh?
In probably like 10 years,
At least.
I feel like.
I found a little bit of rust spot. I don't like that.
It'll be alright.
Oh, it's not terrible.
No. And if you don't really drive it in the winter, you're gonna be fine. These cars hold up pretty well.
All right, Rodney. Day one of the stealth. Day one of the stealth.
It sucks. It's garbage. We're gonna scrap it.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thanks
I
for
feel
that.
sorry for whoever's buying it.
You're a nice man. Thank you.
I know.
Cool.
How cool. Scale of 1 to 10.
7. 7.5.
Oh wow. It's not very cool.
It's cooler than an ice cube.
Literally probably one of the nicer cars I've seen.
This is one of the nicer ones.
Oh yeah.
Austin seal of approval.
It's on par with probably Ken's car. That's I didn't feel any play in that turbo.
Yeah.
Cool.
I didn't check the back one though.
We just run it. All right. Day 2. What else cool on all these? Pretty cool.
There it goes.
Listen to Rodney. Alright. Not too long, the engine's gonna get cold.
Banjo deal. So
And housing might be so expensive that it's just not even worth selling and just a cool thing to keep.
yeah, no.
I just need the space.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to find these cars real soon.
Whatever.
Wow, it's a lot easier.
Welcome back, Rodney. How was the rain? Miserable? Okay. Overdub. Oh, I loved it. Oh, it was fantastic. Thanks for asking. Yay, yay. Alright. Oh, wow. Should I get in there and pretend that I was the power plant?
The engine and transmission pull was a success. Great job, Salvaged Motorsports. Tune in for the next video where we start all the maintenance here. And as always, like, subscribe, and share this content with a homie. Arrivederci.